Hey, what's up, guys? So, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. It's your boy Papi right here. So, in today's content, there's something different altogether. We are going to unbox a teleprompter. Okay, more name teleprompter, and I will explain to you later for you to understand how this thing works. Okay, it was very hard for me to get this one. I won't lie, easy for me because right here in Ghana, it's hard for you to get this things in Ghana. Okay, I struggled really hard for me to get this, and I wanted to share a video me unboxing this thing. Maybe you probably will be interested in getting some of this device. Okay, I'm here to help you get it. Okay, so this is a teleprompter, and teleprompter no edwuma oyɛ ne say those who script their videos. Okay, especially it's not just videos, any video production that you do. If you script your videos, you need this chairman over here to be able to do what, say word to word, okay, with your script. Okay, script and basically script and then they say yeah, oh yeah, video, ultra video, the words that you want to say in the video, no, or putting it down as a written form. Okay, now after this device over here will help you do what I say now. You can see say there's a written write up over here where you can actually do what, recite them or say them out. Okay, and this is the device that will help you to do it. And if you watch on your screen, you see say I've put a video on how this device actually works. Okay, but in today's video now, I'll unbox this one to show you, and I'm so excited honestly because I've always wanted something like this, and this thing is expensive though. Expensive because it actually costs like $99.99. That's more like $100. Okay, what the bag is coming, that's like 1,400 and something cedis. Yeah, but with the shipping fee, I think you pay more than that. And right now, if you go to Jumia, okay, Oko Jumia, you see, this device is sold more than 3,000 Ghana cedis. But yes, Jumia, a ton more than 3,000 Ghana cedis. And to show screen also, that's the device on Jumia. Okay, I want to say Jumia Air seller for 3,937 cedis for this device alone. And I think you have to pay for fees and all that too. So it's very expensive. It's very expensive to get this thing. But when you be so more with your video production, and you'll be able to say word to word, okay, on your script, word to word, you'll be able to see them and say them out without. Yeah. So to unbox it, very simple. What we are going to do is open it. Okay. It's in what I say now a cover and shown. Okay. So there's just a cover. Okay, into box numbers. Okay, this is the box. Okay, so let me put this one here into which box in any. I'm just going to open. Okay. Okay, so I've been able to open it. Wow. So actually it comes with a case. This is amazing. Honestly, this is very amazing. And the name of this brand is called Feelworld. Okay, Feelworld, you know. So that's the name of the brand, and you can see how beautiful the case is. Okay, it's a case, you know. There's a case. It's a wee box, you know. That's how it is. Very handy, very nice, very portable. Over to me, it's very easy to go anywhere with it. Easy pass. So let me open this. Show you the items in it. Okay, but first let me put this one somewhere. Okay, it's me okay, let's open it. All right. Okay, so I think the first thing I see over here is a manual. Okay, that is the PT10 manual. Okay, a manual to this device. Okay, that's the P10 product instruction. Okay, into manual we need a boy. MII then Yashi item no. Okay. So I'm going to read it to make sure I put together. And there's the remote of the device. So it comes with a remote. That is amazing. And you can use their mobile app over here. Okay, it's here from one and two. Okay, now I'll open this one. It's looking very nice. Now, okay, so there's a phone clamp. Okay, there's a phone clamp, and let me open it, take it out. I'm so much silly, no. Alright, so there's a phone clamp. One phone clamp, and when you hold the phone, okay, you can use this to hold your phone. Okay, so let me put that one down. And check again. Okay, so there's another clamp. Okay, but this one is for phone or a tablet. Obey you may use a tablet or a phone for this. Okay, it's any. All right, so I'm afraid of some tool. Okay, so what we have here is a lens. Okay, so it's 8 of them. Okay, let me open it. Okay, it's actually 8 of the lens. Okay, this lens is basically used for what do you call it, cameras. Okay, you put this on your camera, so it's 8 of it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so 8 of this lens adapter. Okay, until I don't show you there, and let's go again. Okay, so this is a I think screws. To where your screws a bit it to me putting it together. Okay, so these are screws, and finally I think we have the remote over here. So there's a remote. To show this is the remote over here. Very portable and very nice. To when I able to make use to control and all that. Way to make the control and all that. It's very nice. I'll put that one down. Okay, and finally we have what is this crap for? We share again where I think this is a foam ring. Okay, a foam ring. I don't know how it works. But we are going to watch the manual to tell. Okay, so I think that is all we have for here. And there now let me open the second chapter of this thing. Okay, and you now. There's a sun hood. Okay, my friend is sun hood, and over here our logo near no Feelworld logo. Until my and also one. Okay. All right. Okay, so there's a sun hood. Sun my friend, very smooth one. Okay, now another clothes. Okay, I think I'm afraid there's something or a clothes or more the paper shield is what they call lens and also. Okay, that's what they use to clean the lens. And what the main bosu nangasa. Okay, so what I have here is the main bosu. And so this is the teleprompter. Teleprompter nangasa only. Okay, and one can say this is the teleprompter. Okay, this is the teleprompter. All right, there's the teleprompter and device. So I'm going to arrange it. Okay, maybe a combo. So I'm kind of saying I'm going to put them together. Case, so this is the carrying case. Okay, we need carrying case. I'll put that one there. Now feed the message. So let me get the manual. These are the items that you're supposed to have on it. Okay, when the items are being your woman, so what shall I say that items and in the morning I say more ye be brave you. So I have all the items over here, and this one is optional one, and away there I'm say wow better account but and can package Okay, so now for us to install it, one we have to lock. Okay, we have to lock the phone or the tablet in our use. Okay, and quickly assemble the accessories together. Okay, the first step, and first step in be install it to the slot. Okay, which is under the glass. Which means a mefa way. All right, I'm going to follow the manual right here. Okay, mefa way. I'll put this thing over here, and there we the best show I see.